jam-packed. I'm in the pet area. There's dogs barking, being well behaved. There's cats cowering in their cages. But it's a good group. I mean, it's just a good group of people. Everybody been there is just behaving, no rambunctiousness. It's just one big party in there.
This shelter here, we advertise it as 5,000 with capacity, and we're approaching that now. What we're encouraging people to do is go to floridadisaster.org, check with their county emergency operations centers for those links to open shelters so that they can seek it. But the thing is, time is of the essence. They need to get to their shelter, get there now, and stay there.
I think we're going to be staying here for 2 nights, maybe 3. You know, they really don't know where the storm's going to go exactly, so we have no way of knowing.
The wind's already picking up now. Are you a little afraid, concerned?
No. No, we're Americans. We don't get afraid.